Good morning, everyone. How are you today? You're fine? Excellent, excellent. Now let's say hello to Fifi. Hello, Fifi. Hello, everyone. How are you today, Fifi? I'm excellent. That's great. Fifi's doing excellent. And today I'm very excited because you're going to help me wash my clothes. Do you remember? Like Benny washed his clothes because he has dirty his shirt with a milkshake he spilled. Remember? On the story. Okay, but to wash the clothes, we need to meet someone. I want you to meet Mr. Washing Machine. Look. Hello, Mr. Washing Machine. How are you today?
Hello, everyone. I'm excellent.
Oh, excellent, Mr. Washing Machine. Now, you're going to wash my clothes, right?
Yes, I am, Teacher Dahlia.
I'm going to wash your dirty clothes. Okay, all of my dirty clothes. Now, you have to help me so I can see or know if it's dirty or if it's clean. If it's dirty, ooh, it's dirty. Or if it's clean, nice and clean, just like my mini Olimpiada shirt, okay? Now you help me. Hold on. Let me show you the first one. Wait. Now, look over here. This is my shirt. This is my pink shirt that I really, really like, my pink shirt. Now you have to help me if it's dirty or if it's clean. Tell me, is it dirty? Is it dirty? Oh, yes, it's dirty. Look. It's dirt in here. Let's put it in, Mr. Washing Machine. Open your mouth, Mr. Washing Machine.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, now we put it in Mr. Washing Machine. Okay, now let's do the next one. Oh, these are my favorite shorts because it's very, very hot outside. Ooh, I think they're like dirty. Can you see? Look, they're dirty. Or you tell me, are my shorts clean or they're dirty? They're dirty. How are they? How are my shirts? Dirty or clean? How are they? Look, they have a little stain there. I think I felt something on them. They're dirty, right? My shorts are dirty. My shorts are dirty. Open your mouth, Mr. Washing Machine.
Yes, teacher.
There you go. In Mr. Washing Machine. Thank you. And the last one. The last clothes. My favorite pants. I went to the park out that it's in front of my house and I hope they're clean. Oh no, look at this. Oh, look at the bag. Are my pants dirty? Or are my pants clean? How are they? Are they dirty? Look at the bags. Oh, look, it has another stain here. Are they dirty or are they clean? How are they? Are they dirty or are they clean? Dirty! Yes, they're dirty. Open your mouth, Mr. Washing Machine. Open your mouth.
Yes, Teacher Dahlia. Yes.
Let's put them inside of the Washer machine. Thank you, Mr. Washing Machine. Oh, look in the basket. I have one more. You tell me if it's clean or if it's dirty. These are my other pants. These are my other pants. Look. These are my other pants, but I think they're clean. I think they're clean. What about you? Look, they have no stains. No dirt. No stains. What do you think? Is it clean or is it dirty? Dirty? It's dirty? No, it's clean. So I have to put it in my drawers, okay? Just like the other video. I have to fold my pants and put them in the drawers. Okay, guys, I hope you liked the video. Let's say bye-bye to Fifi. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Fifi. Bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye. See you later. Now let's say bye-bye to Mr. Washing Machine. And let's thank him because he washed my clothes, okay? Bye-bye, Mr. Washing Machine.
Bye-bye, everyone. I hope you liked the video.
Oh, bye-bye. Thank you, Mr. Washing Machine. Thank you. Bye, everyone. Have a nice day. Bye.